Looking for a great smartwatch without spending a ton? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best budget smartwatches of 2025, all under $100. From fitness tracking to smart features, these watches pack serious value. And trust me, our number 1 pick offers insane value you won't want to miss. Links to each pick are in the description. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is the Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 Lite, an excellent all-around smartwatch that punches well above its price. With a vibrant 1.96-inch AMOLED display, this watch looks sleek and is easy to read, even in bright sunlight. It's lightweight, stylish, and feels comfortable on your wrist all day long. One of its standout features is the up to 18-day battery life, which means less charging and more doing. It also includes GNSS positioning, over 150 workout modes, a heart rate sensor, SpO2 monitoring, and 5 ATM water resistance, making it a reliable choice for everyday fitness tracking. The dual microphones improve voice command clarity as well. Whether you're into running, swimming, or just need a smart assistant on your wrist, this watch delivers outstanding value, especially for around $60. If you're on a budget but want premium features, the Redmi Watch 5 Lite is a solid pick. At number 4, we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro 45mm, a premium smartwatch offering advanced features at a more accessible price point in its renewed version. This watch boasts a 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display protected by sapphire crystal glass, ensuring durability and clarity. Its titanium case adds to its ruggedness, making it suitable for various activities. The 590 mAh battery provides extended usage, ideal for those on the go. Health and fitness enthusiasts will appreciate features like advanced sleep coaching, body composition analysis, BIA, and improved sensor accuracy for heart rate monitoring. The watch supports auto workout tracking for over 90 exercises, including complex activities like HIIT. With Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi connectivity, it seamlessly integrates with your devices. The renewed version offers these premium features at a budget-friendly price of around $80, providing excellent value for those seeking a high-quality smartwatch experience without the premium cost. At number 3, we have the CMF Watch Pro 2, a feature-rich smartwatch that offers exceptional value for its price. Priced at approximately $49, this smartwatch boasts a 1.32-inch AMOLED display with a sharp 466 by 466 resolution, ensuring vibrant visuals and clear readability even in bright conditions. Designed for fitness enthusiasts, it supports 120 sports modes and features 5 smart activity recognition capabilities. Health monitoring is comprehensive, with 24-hour heart rate and SpO2 tracking, sleep analysis, and menstrual cycle tracking. The built-in GPS, supporting GPS/GLONASS/Galileo/QZSS/Beidou, ensures accurate tracking of outdoor activities. With Bluetooth 5.3, users can make and receive calls directly from the watch, thanks to its integrated microphone and speaker. The 305 mAh battery offers up to 11 days of typical use and charges fully in just 100 minutes. Its IP68 rating ensures durability against water and dust, making it suitable for various environments. For those seeking a stylish and functional smartwatch without breaking the bank, the CMF Watch Pro 2 is a top contender. Securing the second spot is the Fitbit Inspire 3, a sleek and lightweight fitness tracker that offers a comprehensive suite of health monitoring features at an affordable price. Currently available for approximately $70 on Walmart, down from its regular price of $99.95, this device provides excellent value for those seeking essential fitness tracking capabilities. The Inspire 3 boasts a vibrant AMOLED display and offers up to 10 days of battery life, ensuring uninterrupted monitoring. Key features include 24/7 heart rate tracking, sleep analysis, stress management tools, and active zone minutes to help you stay on top of your fitness goals. While it utilizes connected GPS via your smartphone, it effectively tracks various activities, and provides insightful data through the Fitbit app. Additionally, the tracker is water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming and other water-based activities. With its slim design and comprehensive health features, the Fitbit Inspire 3 stands out as a top choice for budget-conscious fitness enthusiasts. The Amazfit Active 2 is a top pick for budget-conscious fitness enthusiasts. Priced at just around $99, it offers incredible features without breaking the bank. This smartwatch sports a large 1.32-inch AMOLED display, providing vivid visuals and easy readability, even in bright sunlight. Its sleek 44mm stainless steel case with a comfortable black silicone strap ensures durability and style. Equipped with 164 sport modes and 5 ATM water resistance, the Active 2 is perfect for athletes, whether you're into running, cycling, or swimming. It includes built-in GPS with offline maps and turn-by-turn navigation, ensuring accurate tracking during workouts. For health tracking, it offers 24/7 heart rate monitoring, SpO2, stress, and sleep analysis, all powered by the BioTracker 6.0 sensor, with a 10-day battery life, AI coaching, and smart notifications. The Amazfit Active 2 is a highly affordable, feature-rich option for anyone seeking a budget smartwatch. Thanks for watching. If you found this list helpful, make sure to check out the links in the description for the best deals on these smartwatches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more top picks. See you in the next video.